Every day is a new opportunity to improve yourself and your life. One powerful tool to help you do that is daily affirmations. But what are affirmations? And how do you make them really work for you? Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself. They help change your mindset and beliefs over time. When you say affirmations regularly, your brain starts to accept these positive thoughts as true. This can improve your confidence, reduce stress, and help you achieve your goals. However, not all affirmations are effective. To make daily affirmations work, you need to follow some important steps. First, make your affirmations positive. Focus on what you want, not what you don't want. For example, instead of saying, "I am not stressed," say, "I am calm and relaxed." Positive words create positive feelings. Second, keep your affirmations short and simple. This makes it easier to remember and repeat them every day. For example, "I am confident," "I am worthy," or "I attract success." Third, say your affirmations in the present tense as if they are already true. This tells your brain that what you want is happening now. For example, say, "I am healthy" instead of "I will be healthy." Fourth, repeat your affirmations daily. Consistency is key. Say them every morning when you wake up or every night before you sleep. Repeating affirmations regularly strengthens your belief in them. Fifth, say your affirmations with feeling. Believe the words you say. If you feel the emotion behind your affirmations, your mind accepts them faster. Here are some examples of daily affirmations you can use. I am confident and capable. I deserve happiness and success. I attract positive opportunities. I am grateful for all I have. I believe in myself and my abilities. You can create your own affirmations based on your goals and needs. Write them down and say them out loud every day. Remember, affirmations are not magic. They work best when combined with positive actions. Use affirmations to motivate yourself, boost your mood, and stay focused. Then take small steps every day toward your goals. In summary, daily affirmations work when they are positive, simple, and present tense, repeated consistently, and said with belief. Start today, and watch your mindset change for the better.